Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching me for the first time, I'm Divya and I create content related to beauty, lifestyle, fashion and finances, project planning and whatnot. So if you're interested, then please do subscribe. In today's video, I'm showing you viral products. I have been using these products from quite some time now. It's been few months that I'm trying these products and I know how it works and the formula and everything about it. Let me tell you if these products are worth your money, because some of these are really expensive and some of them are affordable and a gems. The first product which I have is this moisturizer from Emoline. My friend recommended this moisturizer and I have been watching this moisturizer on all over the internet. So I thought of trying this because this is a really affordable moisturizer and so many influencers are raving about it. This is really a beautiful moisturizer. It has a very lightweight texture and it blends onto your skin like a butter. Trust me, like if you apply and blend it, you feel like nothing on your face and it is very smooth and absorbs into your skin easily. And if you're an oily girl, you will love this moisturizer. And even for a dry skin person, this is a really good moisturizer for summer. Then we have this lip balm from Dot & Key and this went viral. It is crazy to see that so many people are raving about this product, and I was seeing a lot of influencers trying this product and raving about this. I have a mixed opinion on this, to be frank. Like, this is a really good lip balm, but initially you can see in the video as well, like if you open and squeeze the bottle, then the pigment will not come initially. You will get a transparent lip balm and you will not get the pigment. I want that pigment to come, like if I put this idle for a few minutes and then if I try to use it, I will get the transparent gloss, which I don't like. And you have to mix it well like this. You have to remove all of that transparent gloss and then only you will get the pigment. So that's why this is not worth the hype. The next product is this e.l.f. Putty Primer. So this also went viral. I remember when this got launched in US, so everybody were raving about this product. So let me tell you, like, this is not my favorite, to be frank. It is a poreless putty primer, which means that it will make your pores looks blurry and it will basically blurs your pores. But I prefer the Inside Cosmetic primer than this because it is very affordable and it is only for 100 rupees or so, and it is a good product but it is not worth the hype. This is an average product. Then we have this e.l.f. Halo Concealer. I have a mixed opinion on this as well. First of all, selecting the shade range in this is really difficult for me because there are a lot of shades and it's a bit confusing in Nykaa. And along with it, this is a bit light for my skin tone. Apart from that, it is a beautiful concealer which gives high coverage. And if you don't like that high coverage concealers, then you have to avoid, but it will cover all of your blemishes and everything. I do have a lot of breakouts, but I don't know if you can see that. You can see only little bit of it, but I do have a lot of breakouts. So yeah, this is a good concealer. If you find your right match, then this is a good one. I prefer using this concealer as a spot collector rather than using it under my eyes. Then we have this famous Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. Oh my god, I have been watching the reels on Instagram from so many influencers. Everybody is raving about it and nobody is telling like the honest review, to be frank. I have done a short video about this and I have tried and tested the product. If you are using Maybelline Fit Me, the original foundation, then don't compare the shade range with this one. So I am 230 natural buff in the Maybelline Fit Me, but in this I am 125, so there is a lot of difference in the shade. If I didn't watch Malvika's video, I was not able to find out my shade because my shade is similar to her. So even I am 230 and she is 230 in Maybelline Fit Me. So because of that I got to know that my shade is 125 in this. So yeah, it is a bit confusing, and this foundation will oxidize you a little bit, okay? Like, you have to get a shade lighter than your skin tone because this will make your skin oxidized a little bit. Apart from that, it claims that this stays on your face for 30 hours, and I have not tested for 30 hours, and nobody will wear makeup for 30 hours straight. So but I have worn this for a day and I have seen that yes, it will stay on your face for a long time, and it is a really light foundation, guys. Like, I really love this foundation, especially during the summer, and it is said to be a sweat proof. I don't know, like, because I do sweat in the summer, but I don't think it will remove my base. Next eyeshadow is from Mars Northern Lights in a pan. Watch me, like, you know that this is my favorite. I tried this shade for the first time. I had another shade which is green color, and this is a mauve pinkish which turns into green color, which I'm wearing it today, and it's a beautiful eyeshadow, guys. Can't say any negative about this product because it's such a beautiful product. You have to have this. I definitely recommend this product. And the thing is, if you're using your brush, right, since if you're using your brush, wet brush, then it will not last you for a long time. But if you are using your fingers to apply, then it will last you, because it is only 0.5 gram of product. So what you can expect, such a beautiful shade, and you will not wear these kind of shades on a day-to-day basis. So it is a special occasion kind of a eyeshadow I absolutely love, and I want to try their, you know, liquid eyeshadow which is similar to this Northern Light. Like, it is a multi-chrome liquid eyeshadow from Mars. I need to try that. And the next eyeshadow is from Kaja. Oh my god, this product has been hyped up a lot last year. I had to try this and I got it for 250 or 290 rupees. It is really expensive product, but I got it in a really good discount at Purple when they had a sale. And this is the color story. It is a very beautiful glittery shadows, especially the first one is like a topper you can wear on all the shadows, and the next one is a little deeper mauvish kind of a pinkish glitter, and the last one is a purple eyeshadow. Oh my god, guys, I love this. Trust me, like, I can take only this for my travel for that festive look. We have a mascara from Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So if you are watching me, you know that this is one of my favorite and my staple in my makeup collection. I don't carry a lot of mascaras in my collection because they do get expired, and I don't want my products to get expired, right? So nobody wants that. And mascaras, especially the products which you are applying on your eyes, it should be clean, okay? And I don't like to share my mascaras with anyone because they may get allergic reaction to this because it is not hygienic, right? So, and this particular product gives you that voluminous and length, and it is a perfect, you know, it is perfect. It is waterproof. It gives you that length and volume and everything. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna repurchase in future. I love this. And we have 3 blushes. So these are viral blushes that I have been seeing, and I got influenced by an influencer and got these blushes. So the first one is this Milani. This is their baked blush and the shade Luminosa. So this particular shade is so viral and all over the world, like everybody is in love with this product. It has some small shimmery particles and it will not look chunky on your face. Like, it is very finely melted glitters and it looks really good. It's a beautiful coral shade. I love this color so much, but if you are darker skin, then it will not look good on you. But if you are fair to medium skin tone, then this particular shade looks gorgeous on you. Like, I have worn all these 3 blushes today just to show you guys. So This is the first one, and you can wear this blush as a blush topper as well. And the next one is this blush. So I have this blush from a long time, a really long time, and I love this. I love this blush so much. I love these kind of orangey corally shades. It looks very good on fair to medium skin tone, and as well as during the summer, this is the color that I opt for. And I don't prefer mauve colors during summer, and even during winters I prefer these kind of shades. I don't know why I am in love with these coral shades, and it's a beautiful buttery creamy hydrating blush. And the only drawback is you should not wear as it is like this on top of makeup. It will remove all your base and it is not hygienic, right? So if you're not wearing makeup, then you can wear as it is, or else you have to take a brush and then use it like this. And the last blush which I have is from Huda Beauty, and I have been talking about this particular product from so many videos. You have been tired of listening the same thing, but trust me, this is one of my favorite now, and I absolutely love this on top of makeup and even without makeup. This looks so beautiful on all my makeup looks. So yeah, this also has some small shimmery particles and it will not look bad, okay? Like you can't even recognize that it has shimmer. It blends into your skin seamlessly. It looks really good, especially this particular shade called Rebel Red. This shade looks so good on all Indian skin tones, all skin tones. Trust me, this is so beautiful. And we have one lip liner from an affordable brand called Mars Cosmetics. So this is one of my favorite brand for lip pencils, you all know that. And this is the shade Lusty Pink. So yeah, this is a beautiful mauvish pink color. It looks good on fair to medium skin, I must say. And yeah, this is creamy, very affordable, and definitely can check. And we have two lipsticks. One is from my favorite formula, that is their Revolution. This is super lustrous lipstick. So I had a shade called New York. That is one of my favorite. It is a brick red kind of shade, and this particular thing is which I'm wearing now, and it's a beautiful mauvish color. This is called Rum Rising, and this particular shade went viral, guys. Trust me, people are crazy about this shade and this lipstick. And this is a 90s lipsticks, and people who were in their 90s used to wear this, and everybody loves this. And I get that hype because this is very comfortable on your lips and you don't feel like you're wearing a lipstick. It's very lightweight, but it is not transfer proof. But yeah, because this is a lustrous lipstick and it is a satin lipstick, so that's why it is not transfer proof. You have to try this Maybelline Vinyl Ink in the shade Lippy. So I have another shade called Saucy. It is a very peachy nude shade, but this one is little bright and mauvish bright kind of a lipstick. Before using this lipstick, you have to make sure that your lips are dry, and then you have to wear it and wait for a few minutes to dry, and then it will become a transfer proof. And the shine will not go even after you eat something. So this is a really long lasting lipstick, so I prefer these lipsticks whenever I'm going out for a long day, and it is worth the hype. So yeah, these are my products, and seriously, these are really good. But you don't have to buy each and everything, because yeah, some of the blushes will have same undertones, same color, same slightly little bit of different in the formulas, that's it. But the look wise and the feel wise, everything looks same, and nobody will get to know that which one you're wearing. So you can't tell like I'm using the Huda Beauty blushes. So yeah, please don't fall on the trend and get all the stuff you want. Yeah, if you like, then definitely these are my reviews. You can watch this and get whatever you want. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then you know what to do, right? Please do subscribe, it really means a lot. And see you all in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.